Hi, I'm Lorraine Brock, and this week is Tip Tuesday, where I bring you an organizing idea or tip on something about your home, business, or life. So let's dig in. This week on Tip Tuesday, we're going to be talking about candy. I mean, it's like serious. It's coming to a home near you very soon. I mean, I've got like bags of candy here. Look at this. I don't know, how much is this? It's like, over 4 pounds, almost 5 pounds of candy. Lots of candy. So let me give you some ideas about how to think about candy. If you have multiple kids at home, we ended up having lots of problems with one kid sneaking into the other kid's candy and getting the good stuff, right? So we had to come up with a plan in our house that allowed the child that owned the candy to be able to get access to it within limits and be able to prevent the other ones from sneaking in as much as possible. So what we made a rule early on when our kids were young, that if your name is on something, whether it be a leftover from a restaurant or candy from Halloween, that was your candy and nobody else. They could not get into it. Now, if you didn't have a name on it, it was free game. Now, a couple things. If you keep it in the pantry, you can recommend a couple things. Recommend something like this. It's just a clear shoebox. You can put the child's name on it and they can have their candy. And this stacks really well, so it keeps your pantry really nice looking. The problem with see-through is that is exactly what it is. It is see-through, and the kids want to eat more candy more often. They're thinking about it. And if they see a good candy bar right up front, no one's looking, you may have a child that's really not their candy sneak that piece. So clear is okay, but not my favorite. So you can find anything around the house, something that's not clear. For example, just this shoebox here. And what you can do is do the same thing. Put the candy in here, make sure it's labeled and a little bit sort of discreet. It's not front and center. Now, keep in mind, you can use a small gift bag too, as long as their name's on it. Now, you can go a little further and make sure that the box of candy or the gift bag is hidden in a particular area, maybe of a kitchen or a butler's pantry, somewhere close by, but not front and center right in the pantry so the other kids can't see it. Now, if you got kids, it's gonna behave the rules, great for you. But when it came to candy and food in our house, they didn't follow the rules, and we had to get a little bit wiser than them. So think about putting individual people's candy in your home and maybe a little hiding place, but make sure their name is on it. And the best thing you can do is not keep it see-through so they don't see it and recognize it right away. And that is our tip for Tip Tuesday this week. I'm Lorraine Brock, helping you get your home, business, and life completely organized. Jolly Ranchers don't make you more jolly, except when you're eating them, that makes you really happy. And Smarties don't make you really smart. In fact, I think they probably just give you like a lot of sugar and you go crazy. They're no good for you. I can try it right now. I don't feel smart. Right? Brings you back to childhood. Definitely makes you jolly. It's good.